Today we're going to do an inspection of a beach house using a Mavic Pro. As you can see here, I've already established my landing and takeoff zone known as the LTZ. But I've also taken one other extra step of precaution, and I've set up some warning cones to prevent traffic from coming on any further down the driveway. Before we take off, I always like to do a perimeter inspection of the property to see if there are any obstacles that could impede the aerial inspection with the drone. As I walk around a home, my main concern typically are trees and power lines. I just want to make sure that they're not going to impede the flight. Here we have some power lines. Now they are a major concern because power lines are typically so small the drone might not pick them up with their obstacle avoidance. Here we have an area of concern. That palm tree goes over the corner of the home. Now we're ready for flight. Know you've already got your battery charged, but make sure you remove your lens cover and your gimbal clamp. Then set your drone on a level surface. So part of my startup procedure is to turn the DJI Go app on first, the controller, and then the drone. It's very important that you turn your drone on from a level surface so that your sensors will get accurate readings. Now we're going to calibrate the compass. Liftoff. I always like to check it out a little bit just to make sure that things are working properly before I actually take it up for the inspection. Here we go.